So you might notice, like, on some Instagrams, you hear big explosions and adjustments.
Ow!
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes we don't expect that. One, because if the area is infiltrated with fluid, we're not going to get that crisp cavitation that you hear, that knuckle adjustment. So if I do that again, I'm pulling on the knuckle. Same therapy, just not stimulating that noise. So thus ends the lesson. I'm going to do an adjustment specifically for that first rib. I'm going to basically rotate away, extend back, and flex through that way. Good. And since we had that cavitation on that first adjustment, I don't expect much to like make a sound.